Hello students, this is Chalma Reddy sir, mathematics. In previous class we have completed 7 problems. Now I am going to discuss that remaining problems. See here, 8th, 9th, 10th question. What they are given? If arithmetic mean between A and B by verification method we will identify the answers. Students, tell me, what is arithmetic mean? A plus B by 2. Yes or no? Geometric mean? Geometric mean, that is root AB. Harmonic mean, what is the formula? 2AB divided by A plus B. Now go for first question. If what value of n it is exist for arithmetic mean? Take that n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. Then substitute a power 0 plus 1, that is a power 1 a, by b power 0 plus 1, that is b, divided by a power 0 1, b power 0 1. So we are getting a plus b by 2. This is arithmetic mean or not? When it is possible, if you are taken n is equal to 0. So first option is correct. Now go for 9th question. Geometric mean between A and B. If you are taken 0, you will get arithmetic mean. 3 problems are same, but n values are different. So I am going to verify that n is equal to minus 1 by 2. See, verify that a power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus b power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by a power minus 1 by 2 plus b power minus 1 by 2. Numerator, observe that a power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means that is a power 1 by 2 only. Here b power 1 by 2 divided by, here a power minus 1 by 2, that is we can write a power 1 by 2 or not, plus 1 by b power 1 by 2. Now take the LCM, numerator and denominator. Numerator no need to take, denominator we want to take. B power 1 by 2 divided by, whole divided by, this is a power 1 by 2 b power 1 by 2. Here we get b power 1 by 2 plus this is a power 1 by 2. Here observe that these two terms is going to cancel. Now this term is going to numerator. So what we get? A power 1 by 2 into b power 1 by 2. That is ab whole power 1 by 2. We get root ab. Geometric mean means root ab or not? When it is exist, if you are taken n is equal to minus 1 by 2. So third option is correct. Same like that, go to the 10th problem. In place of n, what we want to take? Don't take that 0 and minus 1 by 2. Already we know that 0 we are taken means we will get arithmetic mean. Minus 1 by 2 we are taken means we will get geometric mean. So now I am going to take that n is equal to minus 1. Substitute numerator a power 0 plus b power 0 divided by a power minus 1 plus b power minus 1. So numerator we get 1 plus 1, that is 2, by 1 by a plus 1 by b. Take LCM and finally you will get like this, 2ab divided by a plus b. This is harmonic mean or not? So finally, what is the correct option in 10th question? Second option. By verification method we got. So finally remember it, if n is equal to 0 means arithmetic mean, n is equal to minus 1 by 2 means geometric mean, n is equal to minus 1 means harmonic mean. Right. See the next question. This is a previous mains question. The harmonic mean of two numbers is 4. Their arithmetic mean is capital A and the geometric mean is capital G. If G satisfies, 2a plus G square is equal to 27. So we know that harmonic mean, what is the formula? That is 2ab divided by a plus b. This is harmonic mean formula. That value already given 4. Okay. Next, arithmetic mean, they are denoted with capital A. What is the formula actually? A plus b by 2. This is the formula. Geometric mean, already you know that, under root AB. Here observe that 2 2s are 4. What is AB? AB is equal to 2 into A plus B. Okay, up to here we know that. Next, one more condition. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. These are in GP series. Now what is the condition here? G square is equal to AH. Okay. Now what they are given? 2a plus G square, that is equal to 27. 2a plus G square. G square means AH, that's equal to 27. Okay. In both the terms, what is the common? A. A is common, or otherwise, so write like this. What is H? Harmonic mean. Already given in the question. Harmonic mean is 4. So 2a plus, in place of H, write 4. 4a. That is equal to 27. 6a is equal to 27. Then a is equal to 27 by 6. Calculate this. 3 2s are 3 9s are 27. Now 2a, that is equal to how much? 9. 2a is equal to 9. Here see that what is 2a? 2a means a plus b. 2a means a plus b. So this is a plus b. That value should be 9. Now we need ab. By using this, AB is equal to 2 into A plus B. What is A plus B value? 9. So finally we got product of two number is 18 and sum of the two numbers is 9. Then what about A value and B value? If suppose A value 3 means B value 6, or A value 6 means B value 3. Both are same, but A and B value is going to change. Now see the option. What are the values? The numbers 3, 6. Students, are you understand? The ratio of the harmonic mean to the geometric mean of two positive numbers is 12 by 13. Then the numbers are in the ratio. Numbers means A and B only. What they are given here? By observing the question, write the given things. Harmonic mean divided by geometric mean, that is equal to 12 by 13 given. Now what is harmonic mean formula? 2AB divided by A plus B. This is harmonic mean. Whole divided by geometric mean means root AB, that is equal to 12 by 13. Now 2, 6 are 12. Now this is AB means I am writing root AB into root AB. We can write divided by A plus B is coming in denominator. A plus B into root AB, that is equal to 6 by 13. Root AB cancel. Now those value write reciprocal. What happens? See, A plus B divided by root AB. I am writing root A into root B. That is equal to how much? 13 by 6. Split them. A means I am writing root A into root A divided by root A into root B plus B means I am writing root B into root B divided by root A into root B, that is equal to 13 by 6. Here root A cancel. Here root B cancel. Then what is the remaining? Under root A by B plus under root B by A. That value is 13 by 6. So 13 by 6 we can split. Actually LCM 6. So I am writing here 2 plus I am writing 3. Here 3, here 2. Take this. If you are getting doubt, take LCM 6, 9 plus 4, 13 by 6. Yes. Go to the reverse. Are you understood? Why I am written this? Here see that root A by B. Here root B by A, reciprocal. If first term is 3 by 2, second term is 2 by 3 automatically. Now we have to take root A by B value. How much? Tell me students. Either 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Do that squaring on both sides. A by B is equal to how much? 9 by 4. This is the answer. What they are asking? The ratio. The numbers are in the ratio. Numbers means A and B only. What is A by B they are asking. So we got answer or not? How much? 9 by 4. 9 by 4, or we can take 4 by 9 also. Why? Here I am taken 3 by 2. Next term I am taken 2 by 3. So root A by B value we can take either 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. Any one, no problem. 2 by 3, sorry. This is 4 by 9. See that 9 by 4, 4 by 9. Any one, it is correct. I think fourth option is correct. So what they are given condition, observe that first. B plus C, comma, C plus A, comma, A plus B are in AP series, arithmetic progression. Okay. In arithmetic progression, we know that if each and every term add, subtract, or multiply or divide a non-zero constant, then the resulting series is also AP only. Now I am going to subtract each and every term particular constant, B plus C, C plus A plus B. So what is that constant means? This is minus of A plus B plus. I am going to subtract particular constant each and every term. Each and every term. So the resulting series is also AP only. There is no change in progression. Now see the calculation. B plus C minus B minus C cancel. Here you will get minus A. Here you will get minus B. Next minus C. These are in AP. Now I am going to multiply each and every term with minus 1. Minus 1. Why? Here they are asking A, B, C only. They didn't ask that minus A, minus B, minus. If you are multiplied with minus, minus of minus A, minus of minus B, minus of minus C. So this is also AP only. Now do the calculation. A comma B comma C are in AP series. Students, are you understood which option is correct? First option.